My name is Christopher Wright, principal at Charlie Smith High School. I just want to give my take on the Mr. and Mrs. High School competition. I think opportunities like these give children a space to express themselves, to develop their talents, to develop their gifts, an opportunity to be, self-expression, public speaking, being able to think on their feet. And all of these skills help to communicate, help to be creative. All of those skills will eventually help children to develop the necessary skills needed for this 21st century. Also, there's the plus to this opportunity. The winner will actually receive scholarships to tertiary institution, which in a time like this is very important. Giving a child a 4-year degree program in a tertiary institution is costly, and that would help many families or some families to get an education without the additional pressure on parents who sometimes can't afford it. So I think it's a good program. I think most schools should participate in it. Charlie Smith would have participated 2 years in a row, and I'm sure the participant from Charlie Smith with Queen Brown would have benefited significantly. His confidence certainly would have grown. His ability to express himself and be a role model to other children are probably two of the things that I would have observed in the last 18 months or so. So I think whatever you guys are doing, continue working at it, continue to give children hope and create opportunities for them that oftentimes they wouldn't be able to get. So I sanction it.